So if you want to get back your Brawl Stars or even Clash Royale or Clash of Clans account, you have to have a Supercell ID connected to your account. But don't worry, you don't actually have to have this. They can still restore your web account even if you don't have Supercell ID. But it's much easier because you just basically have to have access to your email and then you're kind of good to go. However, if your account was not connected to the Supercell ID, then you know you still might be able to regain access if you contact support. The process they take to get your account back involves creating you a new Supercell ID. So just make sure that you have an email address ready. And here is how you can contact support. So basically open a game, open settings and select help and support. Tap on the blue bubble, message bubble on the top right of your screen and contact them. And this is where you basically start. You have to give them the player ID as well as tag name, account level, name of the clan, neighborhood task, enforce account you're currently in, and the transaction ID of the purchases you made on the account, if you made any purchases. Other than that, it's pretty much straightforward.